I want to talk to you today about making your voice sound like the voice of a really great speaker. We often think that our voice doesn't sound good enough because we hear other people talk and we think that our voice can't sound that wonderful. But really, your voice is the perfect voice that you were created with. It fits you perfectly. It's a perfect match. The only thing that's needed is for you to practice and improve on it so that you can achieve the things that you want to. When you are with people, do you ever sense that they are eager to hear you talk? Or do you sense that they aren't interested in what you are saying? A lot of how you feel about this has to do with the trained quality of your voice, how you've trained your tone, your pitch, your sound. You should know that when you practice, your quality of voice will improve. It will get better. And when your voice sounds great, people will want to hear you more. By opening your mouth and practicing certain techniques of speaking, you can bring your voice into a golden quality where everybody loves to hear you talk. But you need to take the time to practice, to work on improving, to keep getting better. And you not only need practice, you need perfect practice. After all, it's not what most people think. Practice makes perfect. Perfect practice makes perfect. I want you to have the perfect voice for you. And to have this nice voice, you need to pay attention to it when you are reciting, opening your mouth, and speaking the words. You need to pay attention to how your voice sounds. More specifically, you have to consider certain factors about your voice. These factors that you should attend to include your tone. Happy? Can you sound sad, strong, and make other emotions heard? Your pitch. Can you speak both high and low? Your speed. Can you speak quickly so that it sounds like you are in a hurry, or slowly, causing people to get closer to you? Your volume. Can you shout and make loud sound? Can you speak in a normal volume? Your pronunciation. Can you speak with clarity and accuracy? Starting today, as you are reciting, why don't you see if you can change your voice while you speak? You can have some fun with it. You can experiment, try new things, test different styles. You may surprise yourself how good you can make yourself sound. After all, you get many benefits from your daily reciting. Why not make one of your benefits a better sounding voice? If you just practice a little every day, then someday people around you will be telling you how nice your voice sounds and how your voice makes them feel good inside. You have much ability. You can remember things and can speak them. You also have a very diligent attitude. You constantly seek to improve yourself, and you are becoming better every day. I am AJ, your partner in reciting for better living, a better memory, more knowledge, and greater influence on the people around you. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.